this is the weekly chart of the S&P. This is where we were forecasting that the week of September 13th would likely be a low. And we gave the price. All of that has been completed. This here is the week of September 13th. So one of the reasons that I say that it is interesting this week is because this weekly force, which is a force 5 times greater than a daily force, just in general, it's 500% more powerful than a daily, is in play at the same time that the market has put in what normally would be a daily bottom, right in this time frame here, September 13th, plus or minus a day. So what do you think we pay attention to? Which one is the more important of the two? So you have a simultaneous occurrence of a decline into a daily bottom and a decline into the week of September 13th. The daily bottom is actually on the on-time bar, I believe, on September 13th, or maybe it's the 1 unit late. I think this is the on-time bar. And also the week of September 13th. So because it is the week of September 13th, it means that lower prices are very possible because a force exists that is much larger than the daily. It's very rare for us to forecast a daily bottom and then have a forecast for that daily bottom to be broken. But right now, we do have a forecast for this daily bottom to be broken. Now, it was broken slightly today. You know, they went slightly below it at 44.4375. Yesterday was 44.4475. So we do expect, but I won't give you the date here, but I want you to know that we are forecasting lower prices. This could be useful, and somewhat substantially lower prices than the daily bottom. And again, that's not something normal. It's not something that you would see us do every day. Certainly, it doesn't happen that often, even in a year, where we're going to do that, where we say, hey, we have a daily bottom, but we're actually going to be going lower than that. But I was able to work it out to a specific date in the future that we would be reaching these specifically lower prices. We could, if the market had it in it, we could rally first and then come down. But so far, the market has not shown that that is what it's capable or wanting to do just yet. Today's behavior has been more associated with a market that has a lot of selling pressure in it. Ed is here and he says, David, do you have a stronger weekly close today in the S&P? Does 44.44 area have any importance to you on the close? I'm not sure, actually, because I've got too many numbers in my head, to be honest with you right now. And normally earlier in the day, I'm much clearer on every little bit that's important. But I think the most important thing here, and there's nothing wrong with your pricing, I'm sure it has some validity. But the most important thing is that we are forecasting that one of our main techniques, reflected wave, which is calling for a bottom, that bottom is going to be broken and it's going to be pushed through because a larger force is underway to the downside that is large enough to push through that daily bottom. That's what we believe is underway here, and that will be proven to be correct or incorrect on a specific date in the future.